These are the replacement cartridges for the ZEVO flying insect trap. Picked these up in a 10-pack. These things work really well. It's a direct replacement to the one that comes with the ZEVO starter pack, and just they work great. I'm going to show you how you load this up in here. It just takes a couple seconds, and then you're good to go. Start trapping your insects again. So basically, you're just going to get the old cartridge out of here, and then just really easy install here. You're going to want to make sure that this is facing this way right here, so you just slide it off. And you're just going to put it in here just like this. Going to make sure it all lines up. It fits, again, it's a direct replacement, so it's going to fit directly in there. This works really, really well. Just make sure it's all lined up right here. That's it. So it's basically, it's in on the top right here, and then you're just going to go like this. You're just going to push this through here, and then you're just going to pull it right here, and that's it. You're good to go. So you just put it back in here, put it in here, and now you got a fresh cartridge here. And again, I picked these up in a 10-pack. These ZEVO insect traps work really well. We operate a property management company, so we buy these for a lot of the properties. If there's like a 3-season room, or if there's just a bugs somewhere, fruit flies, things like that, these things just work great. If there's an area like a patio door where we're leaving the door open a lot, and they just do a phenomenal job. But again, we're very happy with it. Very easy to change out the cartridge. Highly recommend these. You're definitely going to be happy with this. This is the ZEVO flying insect trap. Pick these up in a 10-pack. It's just the cartridges right here. Just do a great job at gluing the insects on here. Very, very pleased with this.